Yes, Mr. Dev.
This is regarding non-payment of pension.
Family pension affidavits also not filed.
Not filed.
Yes, Mr. Gogoi. I
Lordship,
see you are carrying a voluminous instructions. Looks like.
No, Lordship. This is a transfer subject. This is Dima Assault, and we receive instruction. The appointing authority will process everything, Lordship. In fact,
Appointing authority will be?
Dima Assault, Lordship.
No, they will be processing.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, if you are processing, then I can dispose it of by giving a time frame.
Our role is to forwarding the papers, and we have forwarded the same
To whom?
to the Deputy Commissioner. Lordship. He is working under Deputy Commissioner Dimahasa.
Who is appearing for the Deputy Commissioner? Yes. When will you
17.
when will you give the family pension? It's a 23 matter. How can a pension matter be kept pending?
The petitioner, the husband of the petitioner died on 6/8/21.
Standing counsel has been appearing, sir. Today we have been apprised that the deputy commissioner has to do lordship.
No, it's you see, it becomes very difficult when
Yes,
the
Lordship,
respondents
that's
keeps on shifting
Yes,
the
Lordship.
to one another.
We also
See,
find it
as far
very-
as this court is concerned, you all are part of the one
Yes,
organ.
lordship.
This court is really not concerned how internally you are functioning.
Lordship.
The issues pertaining in this cases, the issue arising out in these writ petition appears to be of some serious nature. Correct?
Lordship, I
Family
have-
pension matters
Lordship,
from
I
2020.
understand,
From
Lordship.
when? It's pending since when, Mr. Dev?
It is 6/8/21 expired, but what has happened, Lordship? They say, at page 22, Lordship finally comes to me.
Page 22.
This is the letter of the Superintendent of Excise, addressed to the Accountant General.
Yes.
This was of 25th of November 21.
Yes.
The AG comes and says that this letter was never received,
Who says?
The AG. If your Lordship kindly comes to the order dated 22/2023 of this Honorable Court.
Yes.
This letter was never sent.
It says not received. No, but now today Mr. Gogoi is saying, Mr. Gogoi, this is under process now according to you?
No, as per our instruction, Lordship, we received that the appointing authority will process the pension and gratuity proposal in respect of the husband of the petitioner, Lordship. And the appointing authority is a Dima Assault, Lordship. And
No,
as
what
per-
is the status? See, this court is now only concerned about the status of this 25 November 21.
Exactly, Lordship.
This has been sent from Dimahasa to the accountant who is
Accountant General.
appearing for the accountant general. What is the status of this letter? Because as per order dated 22/2/23, you have taken your Mr. Medhi has taken a stand that this has not been received. So in that case, why don't, instead of going into all this controversy, let Dimahasa resend this to the Office of Accountant General, let them do their part and send it.
Only thing, not only pension, the provisional, nowadays, it is a compassionate family pension, because the compassionate appointment has been done with. In that place, nowadays, the scheme is the salary, last draw salary is being given to the family members. Here in this case, not even the GPF
I have
gratuity.
understood, Mr. Day, but unless and until they process, will you get
Only thing,
anything? What is important right now?
So, only
Because
thing,
no one is disputing your claim. There is no one has come up saying that you are not entitled.
So
Correct.
there is-
Now the
True.
question is about processing.
Processing.
It appears that there is a stand as regards that this letter itself has not been received. Now, why should unnecessarily we waste more time into all this?
No,
It
I'm
will only
not on there.
correct.
See,
What do you want from this
In
court
fact, the
today?
provisional pension has to be given, That is what I'm saying, There's an interim prayer also, Now, Lordship 2021, 6/8/21 was the date of death, Initially, we whatever documents were required, we placed. How will the family survive, Last 4 years?
Where is the interim prayer?
Page
11.
14, 13, 14. This is to be paid, otherwise paid within 6 months,
Mr. Day, I think I can dispose this
Lordship,
petition by directing them to do all this, whatever is to be done
Exactly.
within a time
With a
frame.
specific time frame.
There is no requirement otherwise keeping this matter pending. Huh, Mr. Gogoi?
Very well, I agree, Lordship.
All right. Ms. Bhattacharya,
Lordship.
there is no point of
Yes,
keeping this
Lordship.
matter pending.
Yes, Lordship.
Correct.
Yes, Lord.
Heard Mr. R. Day, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, stopped. Also heard Mr. R. Gogoi, right?
Yes, Your Lordship.
For respondent number
1 and 2.
For respondent number 1 and 2, and MS J. Gogoi for
3 and 4.
3 and 4. MS M. Bhattacharjee, learned additional senior government advocate for respondent number
5.
5, and MS RR Saikya for respondent number 6. On behalf of Mr. SK Medi for respondent number 6. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking finalization of the family pension papers and releasing the same to the petitioner. Stop. The facts of the case is that the husband of the petitioner, who was serving as a lower division assistant in the establishment of the Superintendent of Excise Dima Hasao Haflong, died on 6/8/2021 while in service, and although the pension papers were forwarded to the Accountant General within bracket ANE Assam by the Superintendent of Excise Dima Hasao by letter dated 25/11/2021, the pensionary, the family pension and other pensionary benefits, i.e. gratuity, group insurance scheme, leave encashment, general provident fund, etc., has not been released to the petitioner. Stop. Heard the parties, peruse the relevant materials available on record. It appears that on 22/2/2023, Mr. S.K. Medi, the Learned Standing Counsel, appearing on behalf of the Accountant General, submitted that as per the instruction received from the Senior Accounts Officer of the Office of the Principal Accountant General within bracket ANE Assam, no family pension application as mentioned in Annexure D to the writ petition have been received in that office. Stop. He further submitted that in pursuance to the order being passed by this court, the Senior Accounts Officer have also written to the Secretary to the Government of Assam, Excise Department, the Commissioner of Excise, as well as Superintendent of Excise, Dima Hasao, to furnish the pension application along with the original service book of late Chandrika Sahini in complete and correct shape to enable the office to take necessary action. Stop. It further appears that the said office communication furnished to this court by Mr. S.K. Medi has been kept on record and marked with the letter X. In view of the aforesaid submission made by Mr. S.K. Medi, this court by order dated 22/2/2023 directed the Standing Counsel appearing on behalf of the Commissioner of Excise as well as respondent number 3 and 4 to obtain instructions as to when the Annexure D to the writ petition was sent and as whether the Office of Accountant General have duly received the same. Stop. Today, when the matter is called, Mr. R.R. Gogoi, Learned Standing Counsel for
the Excise Department,
appearing on behalf of the Commissioner of Excise, submits. Yes, please give that. Submits that a letter dated 28/10/2022 issued by the Additional Commissioner of Excise Assam to Additional Commissioner of Excise Assam has been furnished to him by the office, wherein it is informed that the appointing authority will process the pension and gratuity proposal in respect of late Chandrika Shahini, ex-LDA, who was posted in the office of Superintendent of Excise, Dima Hasao. Stop. Late Chandrika Shahini is the petitioner's
Husband.
husband. Husband is Chandrika Shahini.
Yes, my lord.
Husband is
Within bracket, এই যে নামটো লিখিলা, petitioner's husband, correct?
Yes, yes, yes.
Petitioner's husband.
Chandrika.
And accountant general, you still your stand is that you still have not got it. Keep perusing the aforesaid instruction, including the earlier instruction dated 27/2/2023, this court is of the considered view that this writ petition can be disposed of with a direction to the respondents to process the pension and gratuity proposal in respect of the petitioner's husband, i.e. late Chandrika Shahini, ex-LDA, in accordance with law. Stop. It is ordered accordingly. It is needless to be clarified that the respondents, particularly Excise Department,
excise.
the commissioner of particularly the commission Excise Department. I'll just simply say Excise Department or Secretary to the Government of Assam. Who has to send these papers?
The paper is sent by Superintendent of Excise.
Particularly Superintendent of Excise, Dima Hasao, to furnish the pension application along with the original service book of the petitioner's husband incomplete to the office of the Accountant General.
To
Huh?
the office of Deputy Commissioner.
To the office of the Deputy Commissioner,
And thereafter Deputy Commissioner forward the
Dima
same
Hasao.
Dima Hasao.
Whereafter the Deputy Commissioner, Dima Hasao, shall forward the same
To the AG.
to the
AG.
AG, within bracket Principal Accountant General. A and AG or to the AG?
AG.
Accountant General A. ANE.
No, to the office of the Principal Accountant General within bracket ANE, Assam. Stop. Whereafter no, I don't think anything is to be said that full stop. It is needless to be further clarified that the entire exercise shall be carried out within a period of 3 months.
3 months, sir.
3 months from today, from the date of receipt of the certified copy of this court order. I think everything is covered.
Whatever.
With the aforesaid observation and direction, this writ petition stands disposed of.
Highly obliged, Lord.